I've always been kind of a lover of the ocean, and so when I retired, that's where I landed. I just like being out in nature. I grew up in the outdoors in Idaho, and I still have that in my blood. It's a wonderful place to live.
Pat has a schedule that she keeps every single day of the week for 3 months. She had a meeting on her schedule.
Pat is involved in so many different health-related committees. She's on the Lincoln Community Health Council.
Coalitions for Public Health.
The Childhood Obesity Partnership.
And the County Mental Health Committee.
She teaches ARP driving classes.
On the Council for the Federally Qualified Health Centers.
The Mental Health Advisory Council. She's on Public Health Advisory.
The Diabetes Coalition, the Breast Health Coalition.
She's a Living Well with Chronic Conditions leader.
She has been in almost every committee, gone to every conference, both local and state, that I can ever think of.
I have 11 committees, and I also teach the AARP Safe Driving class about 3 times a year, and teach another class that is Living Well with Chronic Conditions. So I have become the committee goer. I kind of see it as my third career. There's no paycheck, but there is a payoff in feeling that you do contribute to the community.
Pat's contribution to the rural health community here has been significant over the last 20 years. We have really high incidences of obesity. We have limited access to care. We have a lot of low health indicators. She has been directly related to bringing extra services to a community that didn't have many to start with.
If we don't have volunteers here, and especially in Lincoln County, there are a lot of things that would not happen.
It's important because there are many people that live in smaller communities that do not have the resources that one would find for health care in metropolitan or larger city areas.
Pat Neal has been an extraordinary example of, I think, what dedication really ought to be.
I think that volunteering accomplishes several things. One, you learn more about the community. You're contributing to the community by being a part of what's going on. And for people who are retired, it gives them something to keep their minds busy and keep them moving and involved.
Pat is amazing. She cares about the people who live right here in Lincoln County, the people we see at the store, the people at the doctor, the people at her church. She's a wonderful example, just a wonderful example.
I think Pat's impact on our community will be seen for many, many years.
We need more people like her. We need 100 people more like Pat to help Lincoln County so that everybody has equal access to care.
When I think about her, I think of all the involvement and how grateful so many people, including me, are for her involvement.
I have never seen a person like Pat Neal anywhere. I mean, I've seen dedicated volunteers, but nobody like Pat.
She's not someone who's looking for glory. She's not looking for recognition. She's just there because she cares and she really wants to improve the lives of people.
It's going to take everybody, whether it's volunteers, professionals, or whatever, to improve not only people's knowledge of what they need to do to be healthy, but to get people participating so they will be.